everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're having a great week. So, a few months ago, well, a long time before that, I started trying to be a little healthier with exercise and everything. And I started seeing mushroom coffee and everybody drinking it, saying it was good for your gut and good for your skin and everything. And I thought, what the heck, I'd try it because I've been having issues. And for the last 3 or 4 months, I've been drinking Ryze Mushroom Coffee. And this is not a sponsored video. I pay for all this mess myself. And we ordered a Ryze Mushroom Coffee ritual kit. And I guess this will allow you to make this a ritual, which it has been for me every day. I've been drinking 1 or 2 cups every day, and it's really good. I'm not being paid to say that, but so what we're going to do, we're going to bring the camera down and do an unboxing on this ritual kit. We'll talk about what's in it, how much it costs, and the whole bit. So y'all stay around. Okay, let's open it up. Seal was already broken on it there, so what we got is your new daily ritual. So it comes with a bag of the creamy vanilla superfood creamer. Has mushrooms and probiotics in it. It comes with 2 bags of the bright and smooth coffee. This is what I've been drinking. Comes with a 16-ounce tumbler, double wall insulated. We'll take a look at that here in a second. I don't know what, I guess that's a magnet. Says you're amazing. Of course I am. Let's see. And then it comes with all the flavor that you can get, you know, the matcha, hot chocolate, chicory, which I don't like chicory, but talks about all the benefits, the journey, and all that stuff. You can just sit and read that for half an hour. And I don't know how to pronounce the wood that these spoons and scoops are. ACAI. We've already got one of these, and then we've already got a scoop. Tanya, how do you pronounce that? Acacia wood. That's why I keep her around. Anyway, there's the scoop. Take one of them every cup. And it's got the coffee holder. That you store it in. It's got a rubber seal on it. It already comes with some of that good desiccant. All right, good deal. That's acacia, in case you want to look at it. So that's good stuff there. So this is the mushroom coffee. It's got a lot less caffeine than normal coffee, but it is still good. Gives you energy in the whole bit. I'm anxious to try the creamer. It says use 1 heaping tablespoon, hot or cold. Okay. Add it to your cup first, and then the Ryze blend of your choosing, and then water. All right. We'll go ahead and try to open this tumbler up and see what it looks like. And it's just like the one on all the commercials they show. It's got a screw lid, 16 ounce. That'll come in handy. It's got the little logo. Good deal. All right, so Let's go over it again. You got creamer, 2 bags of coffee, tumbler, the acacia spoon and scoop, coffee holder, and with the subscription right now this is January 2026, $57 and change. And this is what I keep it in now, and you can see I've got a scoop already in it. And it smells a little earthy, a little chocolatey, but I enjoy a cup or two of it every day. And honest to goodness, hand to God right here, I do feel better. It has helped my gut. I was having issues, not going to go into it. But yeah, it's a little more expensive than normal coffee, but I get a lot more benefit out of it. Although I do still drink normal coffee, but I really like a cup of this first thing in the morning. So anyway, that's they really are trying to change the way you start your day. Anyway, I enjoy it. It's all natural and the whole bit. There's nothing bad I'm putting in myself. Anyway, that's all for today. Links for everything will be in the description. We do have a subscription to Ryze, and they are not paying me to say this, but it is good. If y'all enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when I make another video. But anyway, if you got any questions, comments, or anything about Ryze coffee or any other mushroom coffee, let me know down in the bottom. Y'all have a great day and a great week. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.